Hey guys, Sam here with the Unboxer. Welcome to my channel. This is the first video. Um, what my channel is about, basically unboxing things I buy from Amazon or anything I find interesting. But for now, I guess, been shopping a lot at Amazon, so I'm going to be doing Amazon. First thing I got, this kid's punching bag with boxing gloves. My daughter's in karate, so I got this for her, and hopefully she likes it. But let's open it and see what's inside. Alright, if you're wondering why I look so short, I'm just on my knees on the floors. But anyways, I hope you guys can hear me okay, because this mic I got, the quality, is good, but it doesn't pick up sound very well. I'd rather use that to have better sound quality versus the mic that's on my camera, which it picks up better, but the quality sucks. Anyways, let's open. I don't know how to do this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So let's do this here. Open theirs. All right. This is my first video, so I hope it's all right. All right. Shoot, I forgot how much it was either. I'll post a link on the bottom. You guys can see it. Ooh. Boxing gloves. Of course, it doesn't fit my hands, but there's that. I'm assuming this is just the pole to hold the bag. Oh, comes with a little pump and the ball itself. So, nope. And the stand. Oops. Instructions. There you go. And the parts. So, let's assemble. Oh, and apparently you can fill this with sand or water, so it's stable. I probably should be reading the instructions, but I think I got it. Comes with a little tool. I'm assuming this is a little plug for the stand here, so you can fill it up with water or sand. I'll put that on later. Alright, I'm gonna look for the instructions. Alrighty, so we're gonna do this screw first here. Screw goes through the bottom. You then need I'm assuming this is next here. This little washer. I mean, fits right in. Well, these instructions aren't the greatest, but pause this for now. Alright guys, so after look at the instructions don't really, they're not the greatest. Like these, I mean, I have no idea what these are. I mean, it seems just like washers, you know, couple washers. I don't know. Instruction doesn't tell you where to go, but just from the looks at it, you know, looks like you put one of these at the bottom, right here. Like I mentioned before, we got the bigger washer here, and the screw goes in there. You know. So this is for the bottom. And then we got this other piece here. This one goes right on top. And you just screw this pole in, I guess. Alright, so I'm not going to tighten it too much right now, but just want to show you. Next up is the ball. So, ball goes on top. Comes with a little pump. Screw the tip in. And if you want, you can just pump it here, you know. I think you're supposed to put it on then pump it, but I'm gonna do it this way. I guess I'm just wondering how you decompress the air. Oh. I forgot this piece here. I think this goes... This is supposed to go right before you put the pole in. So you put the, you know, the little black covered thing here. And then this goes right over it. And then you put the pole. So do as I say, not as I do. I'll pump this up later, and I'll show you. You know, you can screw this to the top of the pole. And then this wrench here is to tighten the ball out, the top. You don't really need it. You can just hand tighten it and it'll be good enough. So, all right, it's done. Let me show you the finishing product. Here it goes. You know. Boom, boom. So, it's pretty wobbly, so make sure you fill it with water or sand. But otherwise, I mean, it's pretty good for a 5-year-old. So, that's it. All right. Have a good one, guys. See you later.